Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. Have you ever wanted to learn HVAC but didn't know where to start? Maybe you've watched different HVAC videos online but still feel confused because everyone starts with advanced topics instead of the basics. The good news is that you don't need any previous experience to begin learning HVAC. Every professional technician once started as a complete beginner. In this video, I'll explain the complete roadmap for learning HVAC from scratch, including the basic concepts, essential skills, important tools, and the knowledge you need before working on real air conditioning and refrigeration systems. What is HVAC? The first thing every beginner should understand is what HVAC actually means. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Heating systems provide warmth during cold weather, ventilation supplies fresh air while removing stale indoor air, and air conditioning removes heat and controls indoor humidity to create a comfortable environment. Today, HVAC systems are used in residential homes, commercial buildings, hospitals, hotels, shopping malls, factories, airports, schools, and data centers. Because these buildings rely on climate control, skilled HVAC technicians are in demand worldwide. Start with the refrigeration cycle. The refrigeration cycle is the foundation of HVAC. If you understand the refrigeration cycle, learning air conditioning becomes much easier. A standard air conditioner does not produce cold air. Instead, it removes heat from inside the building and releases it outside. The refrigeration cycle operates continuously using four major components: the compressor, condenser, expansion device, and evaporator. Refrigerant circulates through these components, absorbing indoor heat inside the evaporator and releasing it through the condenser. Every HVAC beginner should fully understand this cycle before moving on to troubleshooting or repairs. Understand the main HVAC components. Once you understand the refrigeration cycle, the next step is learning the major HVAC components. A technician should know the function of the compressor, condenser coil, evaporator coil, expansion valve or metering device, blower motor, condenser fan motor, thermostat, contactor, capacitor, air filter, refrigerant piping, and electrical protection devices. Knowing what each component does makes it much easier to diagnose system problems correctly. Learn basic HVAC electrical knowledge. Electricity is an important part of HVAC. Most air conditioning systems contain electrical components such as compressors, motors, capacitors, contactors, relays, overload protectors, and thermostats. Every beginner should understand the difference between voltage, current, resistance, and continuity. You should also learn how to read simple wiring diagrams and safely use a digital multimeter. A strong understanding of electrical fundamentals will improve your troubleshooting skills and help you work more safely. Understand refrigerants. Refrigerant is the substance that carries heat through the refrigeration system. As refrigerant circulates, it changes between liquid and vapor states while transferring heat from one location to another. Modern HVAC systems may use refrigerants such as R32, R410A, or R454B, depending on the equipment design and local regulations. A beginner should understand the purpose of refrigerant, but refrigerant handling, recovery, evacuation, and charging procedures should always follow the manufacturer's instructions and applicable safety and environmental regulations. Learn airflow and heat transfer. A successful HVAC technician must understand airflow and heat transfer. The indoor blower moves warm room air across the evaporator coil, where heat is absorbed by the refrigerant. The outdoor fan moves air across the condenser coil, allowing the refrigerant to reject heat outdoors. Restricted airflow caused by dirty filters, blocked coils, or blower problems can reduce system performance and may contribute to issues such as poor cooling or evaporator icing. Understanding airflow is just as important as understanding refrigerant flow. Essential HVAC tools for beginners. As you begin learning HVAC, you should become familiar with the most commonly used tools. These include a digital multimeter, clamp meter, manifold gauge set, vacuum pump, refrigerant charging scale, digital thermometer, leak detector, flaring tool, tubing cutter, fin comb, and torque wrench. Learning how and when to use these tools correctly is an important part of becoming a professional HVAC technician. Always follow safety practices. Safety should always come before speed. HVAC technicians work with electricity, pressurized refrigerants, rotating machinery, and sharp metal components. Always disconnect electrical power before servicing equipment. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Use the correct tools, and follow the equipment manufacturer's service instructions. Developing safe work habits from the beginning will help protect both you and the equipment. Practice is the best teacher. Watching videos and reading books can teach HVAC theory, but practical experience is what develops real skills. Spend time identifying HVAC components, understanding system operation, reading wiring diagrams, observing refrigeration cycles, and practicing routine maintenance under appropriate supervision if you are still learning. The more systems you see and understand, the more confident you will become. Never stop learning. The HVAC industry is constantly evolving. New refrigerants, inverter technology, smart thermostats, VRF systems, heat pumps, energy-efficient equipment, and building automation systems continue to change the industry. A successful HVAC technician keeps learning throughout their career by studying new technologies, following manufacturer updates, and improving practical skills. Continuous learning is one of the biggest differences between an average technician and an excellent technician. Learning HVAC from scratch may seem difficult at first, but every experienced technician started exactly where you are today. Begin with the fundamentals. Understand the refrigeration cycle, learn the major system components, improve your electrical knowledge, practice safely, and continue building your skills step by step. With patience, consistent learning, and practical experience, you can build a successful and rewarding career in the HVAC industry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.